everybody, Crafting Journey with Rebecca. I have a great sneak peek for you because Treasure Studios Arts has a new artist, Rachel Froud, and she releases on Treasure Studios Arts website tonight at I'm trying to do the math in my head. That's terrible. 4 p.m. Pacific time, which is 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. So take a look, see what you like. This one is really colorful, and I just want to say that I am an affiliate. The link is down in the description. If you want to use my code, you'll get a discount. But also, don't forget, these things are all available in round, square, and crystal. You guys are just loving the crystal these days. You can order these in crystal. So hope you enjoy.